Are you ready to inspire the next generation of problem solvers, innovators, and creators? Learning Blade is an online platform designed to integrate STEM, computer science, and CTE concepts into the classroom for students in grades 5 through 9. With engaging missions like building submarines and entrepreneurship, plus modules like Introduction to AI and Introduction to Coding, students are exposed to over 100 careers and technologies. Aligned with state standards, Learning Blade helps students build critical thinking, collaboration, and problem-solving skills through online lessons, plus activities in math, science, social studies, and language arts. All Learning Blade missions include complete lesson plans for guiding students through authentic learning experiences. Start transforming your students' futures.